Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Dr. Ansari from Physiotherapy Shots, and in today's video I'm going to talk about I'm going to show you three simple stretching exercises for neck. If you are suffering with stiff neck or pain in your neck, then please follow these exercises, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. So let's begin with the exercises. Exercise number 1. Begin in a seated position. Slowly bend your neck backwards and look up towards the ceiling. Hold this position for 5 to 10 seconds. Do 5 repetitions. Exercise number 2, neck flexion. Begin in seated position. Slowly draw your chin in towards your chest. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds. Do 2 to 4 repetitions. Exercise number 3, lateral flexion. Start standing or seated with your arms alongside your body. Slowly bend your neck to bring your right ear towards your right shoulder while keeping your shoulders in the same position. Hold this position for 5 to 10 seconds. Perform on the left side. Do 4 to 5 repetitions on both sides. So that's it guys. If you like this video, please like and share this video, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to be notified. Thank you and follow for more.